In this demonstration, you'll learn how to perform the installation for Ansys Electronics Release 17 Remote Simulation Manager on the Windows platform. Before proceeding with the installation, download the Ansys product files from the Ansys customer portal. Have administrator access to the installation. Extract the product file to an accessible directory. Note the hostname and port of the licensed server machine. This tutorial will begin in the directory containing the extracted installation files. Run the autorun.exe application. Select Install Distributed Simulation Technologies. Select Install Electromagnetics RSM. Click Next to continue. Read the ClickWrap software license agreement completely. If you agree to the terms, select Yes to continue. Accept the default installation directory, or you may enter your own directory. Select Next to continue. Run the Remote Simulation Manager as default. This is system user using default port. Select Next. Review the product installation overview. Select Next to continue. The Ansys Electromagnetics for RSM 17.0 will now be installed. Once the product installation has completed, click Finish to continue. Exit the installation program. In order to use RSM, the application must be registered with the RSM service. To register the application with the RSM service, select Windows Start, All Programs, Ansys Electromagnetics, Ansys Electromagnetics 17.0, Register with RSM shortcut. This concludes the installation demonstration of the Ansys Electromagnetics RSM Release 17.0 on the Windows platform.